This is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot on this device. So first, the easiest method to do that is to simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons, just like so. As you can see, the screenshot gets taken. Then you can also take a screenshot by using the 3-finger down slide. This gesture will also work. Or you can open the control panel, find the screenshot shortcut, tap on it, and as you can see, the screenshot gets also captured or made here. Now, in order to find the screenshot storage or simply check the screenshots you've made, simply open the AI Gallery app, go into Albums, Screenshots, and here they are. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.